Hi everyone, this is Sean. No, that's not it. What's going on, players? Let's go ahead and get back to the Whitestone Dome Protector right after this. Nope, that's not it either. I don't know. I don't have a really cool intro yet. So, what's up everybody? It's your boy Sean Be Nice, back in with some more Heat Rock, and let's get to it. All right, so Whitestone Dome, shout out to them, man, because they make the best glass screen protectors on the market. I'm mad. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm just being real right now. I'm mad that Marquise MKBHD caught the mistake that he made. I was so ready to make a video to be like, oh, MKBHD, you was wrong, but you know, he caught it. So there's that. So yeah, Whitestone Dome glass screen protectors, like, so far is the only glass screen protector that can actually work on the Galaxy S10 Plus. And right now I'm gonna show you guys the installation process. Now, what you're gonna see my installation process, you're probably gonna see, it depends if I hide it or not. You know, I'm just a real person. You're probably gonna see me looking at the video, because they have an installation video as well. Make sure I link that down in the description below as well, so actually how to properly install it. Now me, I do my stuff a little ghetto way, you know what I'm saying? Ghetto rate a little bit and whatnot. The thing is, with me, because of the troubles that I've had in the past with this, and it's not anything to do with Whitestone Dome glass screen protectors, or it's more so to do with the fact that it's like, you know, this might be a better idea. So what I do is I try to take some tissue or like a napkin or something and rip that up, and then if I have some tape available, I will like tape it against the speaker holes and like at the ports at the bottom. Now they do have stuff like this does come for extra protection, but that's just me. I'm just like one of those people like, you know what, enough protection, like you can't never have enough protection. You know, you see, keep it PG. All right, so anyway, right now, as you guys can see, the installation process is very simple, very easy. I had no complaints with the installation process at all, honestly. And what I love about this Whitestone glass screen protector is the fact that the fingerprint scanner actually does work, people. It's not something that you have to sit there and try to like, then they said like, you know, prep it for like a long period of time. But honestly, after I prepped it, as you guys can see, I plugged it right up to my phone to use the UV light. Honestly, it worked with no problems at all, you know what I'm saying? So in the future, when you're installing this glass screen protector on the S10 Plus, just make sure, like I did, you know, just get some extra tissue, get some tape, regular Scotch tape, tape the ports at the bottom just to be extra secure. Make sure you got an alcohol wipe, clean up the sides. There was a lot of glue residue left off, but honestly, this was the easiest glass screen protection. This is the easiest setup I've done with Whitestone Dome. If you guys seen my last one, you know, we came a long way. So that being said, now that we've seen how easy this installation was, Whitestone Dome was actually, they were actually nice enough to send me 2 of these joints. Oh yeah. So they sent me 2. I've already used one, as you guys see, but I want to give one away. Now this giveaway is not gonna be like the past giveaways I've done. This giveaway is specifically for my subs. Now if they want to share it to other people, that's fine, but I'm not doing one of those open entries where, like, you know, click this link, subscribe, and to enter the giveaway. Like, no. I actually just want to kind of give thanks to my subs who's been here rocking with me even before I even have giveaways and stuff like that. So this one is strictly for y'all. So if you guys have an S10 Plus, the only way you want to enter this giveaway to get the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector, just hashtag Heat Rock and tell me how your day is going, how your day was, whatever the case is. Just, I care about my subs. So if you're having a bad day, you're having a crappy day, a good day, whatever the case is, just hashtag Heat Rock. Tell me how your day is. If it's good, if it's a one word, that's fine too. So, but yeah, that's it. So again, shout out to Whitestone Dome sending me this glass screen protector. If you guys want the best glass screen protector for your S10 Plus, honestly, I'm not just saying it because they send me this. I've used their Whitestone Dome glass screen protectors for a while now, and I love their products. This is the best way to go. So, if you want to look at the actual proper way to install this Whitestone glass screen protector, make sure you go ahead and click the link down in the description below. And again, if you want to enter the giveaway to win one for your very own S10 Plus, that's hashtag Heat Rock, HEATROCK, and tell me how your day is going. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Very quick. It's your boy Sean Be Nice, and I'm out. Deuces.